Here we go. Welcome to my crib. This is your host, Mike, from MTV. Just kidding. You guys remember that? MTV Cribs? All right. This video would not be the same without the tremendous help of my mom over the last, she's been here for about a week or so, and we've been grinding away every single day. So, I could not have done this without her. So, let's move on and get to the house tour. It's going to be quick. All right, starting off with the kitchen. As you can see, I still have some stuff out. Looks a little messy. We've been doing some touch-up work over here. Got this cool clock and this cool New York thing. Got it at Joanne Fabrics. That place is lovely. Sink, watermelon, bananas. Gotta have your D3, vitamin D. You can see here, gas stove, coffee. Oh, look at that. What a shocker. And check out the cabinets. Cool. Fridge. Yep, I am not going to take you into the fridge. Well, no. I know what you're thinking. Oh my goodness, what a large house. Come on over into my bedroom. I don't know, I think MTV Cribs used to say, whenever the celebrities would show their master bedroom. So this is my master bedroom. This is where all the boring stuff happens. I think that's what they said, right? All right. There's my messy dresser. Okay. I've had this thing since I was literally like 2 years old. This thing is really... You can actually see my old skateboarding stickers on here. Remember Tech Decks? Those things were in. Man, a lot of good memories with Tech Decks. All right, moving on to over here. Most of you have already seen my closet. And I know, pretty exciting stuff. Now, moving on to the dining room. Who do you think picked these out? Not me, because I have no taste. Got a nice Syracuse picture, AC, literally cools the whole house. All I need is one unit. We've got the bike and the mirror. Etsy, New York. Look at that. Boom. Even though we're not in New York City, I'm pretty far from New York City. Roughly about 5 hours, depending on traffic. And I still love that thing, though. Look at this. I think it really brings out the entire room. Shout out to my boy Jimmy, JD, for helping me put these up. Couldn't have done it without you. That was a huge help. And shout out to Jerry for helping me put up this bike rack. A lot of people have helped me with the design and everything in here. So with the decor, a lot of people have helped me with the decor in here. So you can see Buffalo, Finger Lakes. You get the theme, folks. You get the theme. Check out this beer bottle cap table that my mom and Jerry made me. It's pretty sweet, see-through. Just gotta put some trim around it, but we took an old table and they literally did this whole thing. They sealed it and everything. It's pretty sweet. Goes well with my living room. So here's the living room. Shout out to my boy Waleed, who literally gave me this furniture for free. Like, as I'm going through this house, you can tell that so many people have been a part of this house in one way or another, in helping me decorate it and just, get it to where it's at today. And actually, this back door, shout out to my dad and Uncle Glenn for helping me with this. Literally could not have done that without you guys. Thank you. That's huge. Maybe I'll post the story behind that another day. I've got a story for that. A couple of you already know. A couple of you who are close to me already know what happened. So we'll talk about that another day. But check this out. I call this the mud room. I know it's not really a room, but it's where stuff goes. Got a nice shoe rack, TV. Grandma Marie gave me that TV. Thank you, Grandma. This is my grandfather's bookshelf that he built literally back in like the 1950s. Got some books there. And Going over here, Adirondacks, New York theme. Here is my office, just a quick look. Whiteboards all over the place. Mountain Goat medals, my JD plaques. This is what you call the battle station right here. This is the battle station. And yeah, you can see I still need to put up some blinds. Oh, I didn't show you the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom really quick. So this is 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Very nice. Very nice, right? Yep. So 2-bedroom, 1 bath, a whopping, ready for this? 6,000 square feet. Just kidding. 660 square feet. It's awesome. I love it. This is it, folks. This is my minimalistic house, whatever you want to call it. This is how I live every day. I make my coffee. I go into my battle station, my home office, and I plug away. So, and then to get outside and do recreational activities, I go right to my driveway to shoot hoops, or go down on the Erie Canal, or use my current method of transportation to go to Wegmans, or take it on the canal. Solid house, so close to everything. Green Lakes, the Erie Canal, Wegmans, Fayetteville Town Center. You're literally in the middle of everything. I love this place, and just stay tuned. Stay tuned. The future is bright. Peace and love, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So right now the shed's a little bit messy. I'm gonna wait another day to show you guys the shed, along with the outside work that my mom and I have done over the last couple of years. So that's a whole separate video, but I hope you enjoyed this one on the inside of I call it my minimalistic mansion. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned. And how could I forget one last thing? This table, butcher block, as you can see, it actually came with 4 chairs, but clearly there's not much room in my dining room, so I have 2 at the moment, and 2 of them are stored away. But shout out, look at this beautiful table, everyone. Look at this. I mean, this is what you call a masterpiece. Butcher block table. Thank you, Jerry, for giving me this table for free. So you can see, guys, most of the furniture in here has been given to me by family or friends, which is truly, truly a blessing. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this.